Okay, so let me present you Cobra Siege magazine for air series bolts. You can stack up to 8 bolts here, and it consists of two items, magazine and the frontal part. So magazine gives you possibility to add bolts by pushing up the top locker. Also on this magazine you already have a Picatinny rail, and the frontal part is just to lock in place bolts, so those are not traveling or is not supposed to travel. And now I'll do a couple shoots. Before that, additional change, which is important change. Now this rear slider, it has been improved, and now it's, instead of pushing out the bolts that go too far back, now it's not literally let the bolt pass the certain line, because this item now is printed from elastic material, and according to our tests it gives very stable results. So now you can reload in whatever position you like. So nose up, nose down, it's always reloads smooth and reliable. So as you see, I'm reloading every time nose up. So just to demonstrate you, this rear slider version is working very nice and not letting the bolt go back. And now I will shoot out all 8 bolts just to demonstrate you dry fire system, which is implemented same way as it's implemented on Eder. So now I'm shooting the last bolt, and as I'll be trying to cock without any bolts left in the magazine. You see that top locker meets the string and it's not possible to cock. So about this item, we're gonna publish it on our eBay store end of next week, so you'll be able to order this for your Cobra Siege. Also, same items will be released probably in 1 more week plus for Cobra RX and Cobra RX Eder, so you can benefit from long bolts. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention and stay tuned.